Hello, my name is Elias Rubiano, and today I want to share with you the following recipe. Okay, the recipe is tiger rice or rice with noodles. Okay, ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, half a cup noodles, half an onion finely chopped, garlic to taste, oil to taste, salt to taste. Okay, preparation. The first thing we will do is place the oil and noodles in a saucepan and we will fry them over heat for 1 minute, mixing evenly as we can see in the video. Okay. Uh, then we are going to add the onion and garlic. We are going to fry for 1 minute more, mixing evenly as we can see in the video. Okay. Okay. Then we add 2 cups of water and salt to taste with and let it boil. Okay. As we can see in the video. Next, we add 1 cup and previously washed rice. Mix and let the water reduce over at heat. Okay. Okay, then we cover the rice and leave it on low heat for approximately 20 minutes. Okay, and perfect. Our target rice is ready to serve. Okay, and that's all for today. I hope you prepared it at home and enjoy it. Goodbye.